Meet Sam. One afternoon, he was sitting peacefully at his desk, focused on his writing. He was enjoying the quiet moment, completely engrossed in his thoughts. The time was passing calmly. I was writing my story, he thought. But then an unexpected noise broke the silence. His alarm clock started ringing loudly on the table. He jumped in surprise, interrupting his calm writing lesson. What happened? This is where the grammar gets interesting. The writing was the long, ongoing action, so we use the past continuous, I was writing. The clock ringing was the short interruption action. That's the past simple. The clock rang. Combining tenses in simple, I was writing when the clock rang. Practice this rule and master your past actions.